All right, so Uni Best football number 3. Well, first letter, first name. Oh, Decker DeGraff. So silver refractor, jersey auto. So the D spot column. Oh, Cameron Shimmer, Maddox Madsen, green speckle. So 99. Oh, Joey Aguilar. Michael Weisner, Lenoris. Who's gold? So it's the on card refractor on card Lenoris. Oh, those showpieces are sick. For the L spot, Chris. Oh, those are sweet cards. That looks gold. No numbers on it, just the refractor. And beautiful auto. Chris, congrats, brother. So Quincy Porter refractor. Joey Aguilar 250. So Murphy showpieces. Need Hoover. Whit Weeks. Rogers. So Eli Stowers, best of 25 gold. Still 50. The E Spot Blackjack. Old Gronowski refractor. So Nate Frazier Shimmer showpieces. I love those showpieces. Little Bryce inserts. Jaden Ball. Sorsby Pendergrass. Go Skurs. Best of 25 Ja'Cory Barney. Refractor Braylon Russell. Little Katron Allen as a gold box. That's 25 of 50. Hey, Spy Colin. Sawyer Pabula. Sawyers. So Altmaier. Sawyer Robertson. Ooh, great box. Chris! How about that Lenoris, baby? Hey, that thing is sharp, dude. Congrats, brother. Oh, I love the on-card out the best. Good box, good box. Nolo Best, number 3. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.